Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Monday 20 November 2023, I have a few potential trade setups to discuss where I will try to get long on the euro, the Australian dollar and the New Zealand, and I'll try to short the CAD, the US dollar and the pound. The first pick of the day is a potential short on the US Swiss. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The US Swiss, I had this up last week also. Dollar tanking this morning and the Swiss franc still very strong. So I identified this support level and now breaking cleanly. I'm waiting for a retest. Once I get a retest up here of this level and then a pattern reversal, that'll get me to go short. On the Aussie Yen, reapproaching the level I showed you last week. Aussie very strong, Yen busy gaining, so I'm a little bit worried about the Yen today. The Yen is gaining a lot of strength. I don't know if the Bank of Japan is involved this morning again, but they are really pushing the Yen this morning, buying across the board. But I'll still have my levels open. As the yen gets stronger, you can come and watch this on the live stream, guys, every day. So if the yen pushes stronger even further, I will then step aside on the yen trades. But at this stage, I'm trying to be long Aussie, and one of the potential setups are the yen, and it's approaching this level. So I will try to get in something here if it gets back to this area. In the New Zealand US, we took this 4-hour trade on Friday morning. Nice hammer candle, testing the levels I've identified. I did it on the live stream for you. So that was part of the live stream trades. And it then bounced after that very strongly, looked very good, almost got to the stop loss. But then you had a morning star even, you had the breakout, you had the retest plus a hammer candles. There was plenty of opportunities of getting into the trade. I've set my targets on that high and the 1.27 you can watch on the live stream and see the details of the trade where my stops are now. Trail the stop loss now to this hammer candle low, there, minus 10 pips. I think that leaves me with about 5 pips risk left on the open trade. If you traded lower on the sweet spots, you would break even now. But approaching that target, so let's hope for the best there. Any retracement that will stop me out will get me to relook the markets at this area here to see if I can go long again. But New Zealand still strong, dollar tanking this morning. So the theme for today is so far dollar weakness. So with this open trade, got a couple of pips risk left. I'm allowing this one to run. In the euro CAD, we got a strong euro and a very weak CAD. CAD's also getting hammered this morning. And with this last swing here between the 50 and the 61%, the support level, I'm interested. If it gets back down there, I look for some bullish pattern reversals and then I'll enter some longs providing the RS still gives me strength. In the euro US, the euro very strong. So I've identified this sideways level on top. And if it gets back there and it retests, you can see euro US. It's Monday. I don't think it will keep flying. So most likely we will see some form of a retracement later this afternoon. But I would like to see a retest here on a bullish candle reversal or pattern reversal. I'll get bullish or long, providing my R is still confirmed. Then the Aussie US. I've identified this one last week for you. If you took a Friday breakout trade, you were 100% fine. For now, I'm looking for the retracement. So you had the opportunity to go long there if you want to do it on Fridays. I didn't show everything on Friday. And then the hammer candle afterwards. But for me, this was very late on a Friday. So never retested. And that's the main thing why I wasn't that much interested. And we got a very nice entry on the New Zealand. And Aussie and New Zealand usually does the same thing. So I wasn't keen on being long on both. I never got a retracement here in any case. So with this retracement, Aussie up there, dollar down there, still interested in a retest or the 50% level here on the Fibonacci. Euro yen, well, it's cutting through the level I'm watching. Euro yen, again the yen being bought up and selling everything else. Don't know if this is the Bank of Japan. If it is, it will go much further. If it's not, it will stall here. And hopefully we can get some long setups here on bullish pattern reversals. I'll also look at this consolidation eventually later this week. And if it breaks above that, I'll try to get in on retests and pattern reversals. In the pound US, there was an opportunity on Friday late night. Not my type of trade, but the break on a nice hammer candle showing you continuation. If you took that, well done. Pound otherwise stronger than the US. Both red, but the pound is still much stronger than the dollar. So if it gets back here, I will see if the pound has strengthened or not. But the retest here, or the retest at the 61% structure here, I will also get interested in some longs. And the CAD Swiss missed the level I was giving you last week, unfortunately. So still, CAD Swiss, CAD getting hammered today also. But I see the Swiss is also selling off a little bit. But on a retest, I'll still be interested at the 61% level at this market structure. Maybe I should bring in that level there also. Obviously, the market found resistance there. I missed the level there. Was in any case too late on a Friday afternoon for me. Then the Aussie CAD breaking out lovely. If you were a Friday trader, you had a nice hammer candle after the break, the retest. It was a beautiful long. If you wanted to trade Friday evening, that's for the brave. That's not for me. Any retest here will get my interest. Aussie and CAD, see there, they are Aussie much stronger than the CAD. If I can get a retest here on this reversal here, any pattern reversals, bullish pattern reversals, I'll then take some longs. And the Euro Swiss, bit of a triangle pattern. I'm not that keen because of the sidewaysness here, but usually after a sideways market we get explosive moves, and this might be just a pattern getting us in right at the support levels. So Euro up there, Swiss losing a little bit of speed, Euro unstoppable. So on the retest, I'll look for some bullish pattern reversals, and then I'll try to get some longs. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on the S&P. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Now let's get back to the S&P 500. With the dollar being so weak and being hammered all over the place, I'm actually quite surprised that the S&P haven't run very hard. The Dow is also setting up, the Nasdaq is also setting up, but I don't have it here because this is the best pattern I could find. So I would like to see the break on the S&P 500 above this flat top triangle, then the retest, and then some bullish pattern reversals. But with the dollar so weak, I'm really stock market bullish at this stage. So I'm quite surprised that we stagnated so much last week. So I think this could be a very explosive move, and that's why it is my favorite setup for today. Only this afternoon or maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure. It's a Monday. I'm not that keen getting into a lot of trades on a Monday, but the patterns, dollar here, the currency is really stock market bullish. So I'm going to keep a tight eye on this one. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003. If you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support the channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.